Welcome back, smart shoppers! Today, we're diving into a drone showdown between the DEERC Drone D70 and the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone. Let's find out which one soars and which one crashes. First up, let's talk about the price. The DEERC Drone D70 is quite affordable at $79. Reviewers appreciate its budget-friendly nature, often mentioning that it's a great value for beginners. On the other hand, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone costs $149. While it's almost double the price of the DEERC drone, some reviewers feel that its advanced features justify the cost. If budget is your main concern, the DEERC Drone D70 is the clear winner here. Next, we have camera quality. The DEERC Drone D70 features a 1080p HD camera, which is decent for casual photography. However, reviewers note that the camera quality is not the best, but acceptable for the price. On the flip side, the CHUBORY drone boasts a 2K HD adjustable camera with a 130-degree wide-angle lens. Reviewers rave about its excellent camera quality, making it perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots. CHUBORY takes the lead in this category. Now, let's discuss flight time. The DEERC Drone D70 doesn't specify its flight time, but reviewers often describe it as adequate for short flights. In contrast, the CHUBORY drone offers an impressive 84 minutes of flight time thanks to its 3 upgraded batteries. Reviewers love the extended flight time, noting that it's perfect for longer adventures. CHUBORY wins this round as well. When it comes to user-friendly features, the DEERC Drone D70 is equipped with one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Reviewers highlight its ease of use, especially for beginners. It's also packed with fun features like 360 degrees flips and gesture selfie. Meanwhile, the CHUBORY drone offers similar features but adds optical flow positioning, follow me, and a brushless motor for better performance. Reviewers find it slightly more advanced and reliable. CHUBORY edges out the DEERC drone in this category. Finally, let's look at portability and design. The DEERC Drone D70 is compact and foldable, making it easy to carry around. Reviewers appreciate its portability, even though it doesn't come with a carrying case. The CHUBORY drone also folds neatly and includes a portable carrying case, which reviewers find convenient for travel. Both drones are portable, but the carrying case gives CHUBORY a slight edge. Overall, reviewers seem to appreciate the DEERC Drone D70 for its affordability and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners and casual users. The CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone, on the other hand, receives praise for its superior camera quality, extended flight time, and advanced features, making it worth the higher price for those seeking a more professional experience. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's easy to use and fun, the DEERC Drone D70 is your go-to. But if you're willing to splurge for better camera quality, longer flight time, and more features, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone is your best bet. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Check the description for product links. Happy flying!